The Kia K5 key fob battery replacement is a simple DIY task. First, locate the small notch or seam on the edge of your K5's key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently open the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to scratch the plastic casing. Once open, identify the battery type. It's a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side is usually marked. Newer K5 models may alert you via the Kia Connect app when the battery is low, but this process remains the same. With the fob open and the CR2032 battery identified, carefully remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up as indicated. It is recommended to use OEM or reputable brands like Energizer or Duracell to prevent malfunctions. Snap the two halves of the key fob case back together, ensuring they close securely. After replacing the battery, test the fob by locking and unlocking your Kia K5. If needed, resync the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. Properly dispose of the old lithium battery responsibly.